Okay guys, we're finally gonna get this thing tuned. Here in just a little bit, we're gonna be heading over to PFI to have Brent tune the wagon. The goal is to make about 350 horsepower, maybe 300. 300, I'd be happy. 350, that'd be cool. Don't really want to push it all that hard because it is just a little D series. I'm sure I could handle a little bit more, but I want it to last a while and just be able to get in it and rip it and have some fun and not have to worry about it too much. So just a little rundown on the build if you're new to this channel. It is a Vitara built D16 Z6. It's got dual valve springs in the head. It's got some ARP head studs. It's got the Vitara stock bore, and then it also has the Scat H-beam rods. It has a eBay GT30 on it. It's got the .82 AR exhaust housing. It has some 2200cc injectors. It's pretty much overkill for what this is gonna make. It has a 450 Walbro in the tank. It's on E85. It has a Honda. And I guess if you have any more questions, let me know down below. It's a pretty simple build, a little budget D series. It is all-wheel drive. If anybody's wondering, really quick before you go to the dyno, I need to fix the blow-off valve, change the oil, and check the oil because this is going to be the first oil change on the fresh motor. And then I also need to wire in the 4-port boost controller so that way we actually have an electronic boost controller. So it's going to be a really fun day. Kyle got his wagon over there. It's all ready to go. He's going to drive it over there with me once this is ready to go. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so got everything ready to go. Got this 4-port on there. It's not all the way wired up yet. I need to talk to Brent about a couple things. I don't know if it needs to have the boost by gear stuff soldered into the ECU. I also did fix this blow-off valve. It's leaking a little bit, so I got that fixed. Switched the oil out in it. Fixed this oil leak on the oil return line. So it should be all good to go. Kyle's up. We're about to head out of here. We're gonna go get some food at Waffle House. Everybody's always talking about how I like start the videos and right away I'm just like, yeah, we're gonna go get some food too. Every time I get here, I'm like, dude, I'm starving. So we're gonna mob out in the wagons together, go get some Waffle House.
Waffle House is tradition.
Yeah. So, but this thing should be all good to go. The oil looked great. I forgot to mention that. I cut up the filter. Didn't look like there's any chunks in the filter. The oil looks awesome. Doesn't smell weird. Ran a magnet through. There's nothing in it. So I think we're all good to go as far as the oil is concerned. Other than that, I mean, I just need a little help figuring out how to take it out of the all-wheel drive, which he knows how to do. Yeah, so we'll do that before the dyno. I guess you just use like a 3/8 extension. Oh, a 10 mil.
Yep, just loosen it on the track. Okay. It's simple.
Yeah, so I mean, other than that, we're just gonna mob over to PFI, see what Brent's up to, and just hang out for the day.
Yeah, and I got mine back up and going. Yeah. Oil pan's fixed. So
got his oil pan fixed the other day.
This will be the first time they have ever cruised together in a long time.
Been a minute, dude. Yeah. Like 2.5, 3 years. Mm-hmm. It's pretty funny. So, I honestly think the last time they cruised together was when we were going to that Cars and Coffee, and yours like blew up on the, not blew up, but like had an oil pressure issue.
You know, it locked it.
Yeah, it locked all the
bearings. That's what that, you know, all the parts you used out of that motor. Because I had to rebuild it again. Yeah, and then Zach had to come tow me, and that was like an hour away. Yeah, I think that was the last time they were ever together. That was after, yeah, it was. And that was because I dropped the crank and I just put it back in. It was all bent to hell.
Oh shit, dude. Oh, it's gonna be cool. But I'm gonna set up the GoPro, go cruise down there real quick. Bro, what is you doing? Did you try and race him?
Yeah, bro.
Dude, he gapped your ass?
He did.
Dude, I just messaged you. I was like, bro, get your ass back here. That thing makes like 600.
Oh, do you know him?
Yeah. I've done the dump tube on his car. It's a stock Evo 10, but it makes like 600 horsepower.
Oh, he gapped my ass.
That's why I messaged you. I'm like, bro, get your ass back here. Get your slow ass back here.
Sorry I'm late, dude. I had to go chase down that Evo.
We're out here at Waffle House. Get some food. Nice, Jamie. Make that look easy.
Done it once or twice.
So we're over here at PFI. Brent's getting ready to tune the wagon.
Yeah, pretty stoked.
Him and Sean helped us out with the ECU.
It's coming.
They got that in their video, so go check that out.
Heck yeah.
At PFI Speed.
It's going.
The man, he's gonna do it. I'm ready, but I'm nervous. I'm always nervous, but it'll go good. It'll go good.
It'll get exciting.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Been a minute.
Minute.
We still gotta check the ignition timing, and I guess that's really it. Just check the ignition timing, make sure it's all good.
Yeah.
Make sure. Yeah.
Wired down right.
Yeah, in the boost solenoid. Good idea.
You got a gas cap too?
I just lost that this morning. Does it need it?
We'll find it.
Does it need it?
It probably should.
For the dyno?
A little extra pressure is always good.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll go steal one from out there. What do you think, bro? You ready?
Yeah, I'm excited, dude.
I feel like it's missing one thing though.
Yeah, where's it at?
Let's grab it. Just come up on the hood, dude. It don't matter.
Go on center? We do want it centered.
Where are we at?
Dude, I can't tell. Just
towards the passenger side.
nothing about this wagon.
There.
He said about there.
About there? That's fine. That's about fine.
Send it.
That's about fine then.
Nothing about this wagon looks good, so no one's even gonna notice.
Bro, the manifold looks pretty good. You're talking crap.
Super stoked, man.
Yeah, this is
You excited? It's been like 2 years.
How many?
Like almost 2 years, probably 2.5.
Feels longer than that.
The last been a minute.
Like, you guys gotta add a bunch of cards to these things.
There we go.
Little videos.
Checking the ignition timing really quick. Just making sure it's all good.
checking on that?
The alternator's not charging.
Oh, really?
Piece of shit.
Man.
Hopefully it's just a fuse.
Hopefully. I mean, you've been driving it around this whole time, so.
That's what I'm saying. I feel like it would have died if it wasn't charging. So.
You guys got that fixed too?
This is a new line.
Oh, okay. Anaconda or what?
Yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work, bro.
Why don't you get an electric ratchet? My question.
Bro, it's not that fancy.
There's one right there, man.
I was about to say.
Oh yeah, there is.
I've seen a bajillion.
That's funny.
Alright, we're back. We've got the fuel leak all fixed. We're ready to jam. You ready to jam?
Yeah, all the fun. We always have all the fun.
Would be a BoostedBoiz style car if we didn't have to fix all that stuff.
For real.
We just started right where we left off with her.
Nope.
Back to the Stony. So the baby spring didn't do or what?
Nope. Swap her out.
That was 80% duty.
Yeah, 80%
Oh,
duty,
really?
which is a lot
Wow.
on the 4-port, so.
Yeah. So what spring are you guys putting in there then?
11 and a half, so it'll probably be about 9 at this altitude.
Oh, okay.
Makes sense. It's probably a 3-pound spring and does 1 here.
Brent's got to break it to you, man.
Turbo doesn't spin.
No? But say that make a hell of a lot of sense.
No, I'm just kidding.
It is eBay.
I can't wait to see this spring.
It's making decent torque, huh?
237 and 228. Yeah.
Nice. 237.
237 horse.
She going though, huh?
Yeah.
Still hit boost cut.
Yep. So the solid part up here, this is actually the end of the run.
Okay.
The solid part is the D-cell.
Oh, I see. That makes a little bit more sense.
300 304.
It's
And
making
they're
the same amount
following
of
each
torque.
other. Yeah, they're following each other. Yeah, we just talked about that.
What was the boost cut set on that one?
21. It got there like that time.
It's making 300 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds.
At like that was 5,000 RPM.
That's great, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be so much fun.
So you want to
Get this
stop
whole
it?
boost thing under control.
No, I want to make like 350. 300, 350. 300, 350. How much did they get made?
200.
So we're having a boost controller issue.
194. But it regulated it.
Yeah.
So what do you think it is?
About 315-ish.
313. 313. But it held at that time.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
right where you want it.
I like that.
313 and it carried
Not bad.
all the way across. It like
What's up? What are we doing?
I gotta turn the
Oh, the launch control. Okay, let me get out here then. You're a madman.
It's cool in the dark. I get
Yeah.
mesmerized by the flames.
It is really cool. That's gonna be a rowdy launch on the street.
I softened it up a little bit.
It's all good.
Better.
Holy
And that's actually softer than what I was. So.
Okay.
I was kinda playing.
it just pow-pows better.
Pow pow. Give us some pow pow.
Whew. Well, all that
awesome.
beating and nothing wrong with it yet, so.
No, this thing feels great. It'd probably take the 30 pounds I wanted to see earlier.
Oh. All right, Brent. Well, it's about time, huh? About time to go home. Come back tomorrow, put a new alternator on it, rip it one more time, make sure it's all good.
One more time.
And then go rip it on the street.
Yep, it's pretty cool.
how many gears you can
Well,
miss.
hopefully don't miss too many gears, but I feel like it's definitely going to be a big learning curve.
I think so,
So-
too. We'll find out.
Yeah.
It'll be great.
Maybe do an all-wheel drive launch.
All-wheel drive versus all-wheel
Something.
drive is what I want to see.
Same.
We'll see.
K
We'll see.
versus D.
But I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. That was awesome.
Yeah.
It's fun. Right where we left off. Working on it like crazy.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's cool. Definitely learned a lot.
Did you fix the pan on it?
Gonna leave you guys with that. The wagon made a little over 300 horsepower today. Super tiring, super exciting, super stressful kind of. Just sitting here waiting for it to blow up, you know? I don't know, everybody says bad things about the D series, so just really want to have some fun with it. Me and Carl's gonna go rip it tomorrow. We'll race Kyle maybe too, down to Mexico. Thank you, Brent, for tuning it. It was awesome. I'm super excited. The car sounds great. Brent was being nice and easy to it. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to go check out that Valentine's Day giveaway. And yeah, until tomorrow, we'll fix some stuff and then go rip it. Then check it out, guys. Alex from Spool Up Performance was in town. He's gonna hook us up with some shirts and some stickers.
Yeah, buddy.
He's here helping us today, so just give him a little bit of shout. Go check out his YouTube channel.
Appreciate it.
He does some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, we got some fast Mazdas, some Mazda Speeds, building some one-off stuff.
And a really cool project that he's got coming.
Yeah,
so.
drag cards coming real soon.
Yeah.
Check it out. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, check it out. Alex
Yep.
from Spool Up Performance. Check him out on Instagram, everything. He was helping us out today. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem, buddy.
Have a safe flight back tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.